Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make rose lip balm. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets, which gives your balm its lovely firm texture. Next, grab 2 tablespoons of a nourishing carrier oil, such as sweet almond or jojoba oil, to keep your lips soft. Finally, prepare 5 to 10 drops of beautiful rose essential oil for that delightful scent, and have a small, clean container ready for your finished product. These few items are all you need to begin this easy project. Now, let's get to the melting process. First, combine your 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets and 2 tablespoons of carrier oil in a heat-safe bowl. The best way to melt these ingredients gently is by using a double boiler method. Simply place your bowl over a pot of simmering water, ensuring the bowl doesn't touch the water. Stir the mixture continuously until the beeswax is completely melted and thoroughly blended with the oil, creating a smooth, clear liquid. This step is crucial for a consistent balm. Once your beeswax and oil mixture is perfectly melted and clear, carefully remove it from the heat source. This is the exciting part where we add the star ingredient. Now, gently add 5 to 10 drops of your rose essential oil. Stir the mixture thoroughly for about 30 seconds to ensure the beautiful rose fragrance is evenly distributed throughout the balm. Work quickly, as the mixture will start to cool. Promptly pour the warm liquid into your small, clean container, filling it almost to the top. The final step is to let your wonderful new lip balm cool and solidify. Simply leave your filled container at room temperature, undisturbed. This cooling process usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes, but it might vary slightly depending on your environment. Once the balm is completely solid and firm to the touch, it's ready for you to enjoy. Your homemade rose lip balm is perfect for keeping your lips soft and moisturized. Store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its freshness for several months.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.